Welcome back to my channel. I'm Birgit from Kobastiani. Welcome to this new video, which is, I wouldn't call it hack, but it's a very special option for the jacket Rebecca. I'm wearing it here. So this option or this version for the Rebecca is a very quick one and is made out of one single layer only, which is a heavy knit. This is of course much quicker to sew than the other options with all the quilting work. And there's also another advantage of this jacket here. Because of the workmanship with the bias tapes here, you can very easily sew this without an overlock sewing machine, just with your regular household sewing machine. The seams don't stretch out too much and the transport of the fabric is quite good. And of course, like this, you can add an extra touch of color or, in my case, African wax print. So enjoy this video, leave me a thumbs up here on YouTube, this would mean a lot to me, and subscribe to my channel. And let's start making this quick and easy winter sewing project. Have fun! So at first here I'm cutting the knit fabric. I would have loved to make a long version here, but unfortunately the heavy knit fabric was already sold out and I could only get a small amount. So I'm making a short version. For this easy Rebecca, as you can see, we only need these 3 pattern pieces, the back part once, then twice as a pair the front part of course, and twice the sleeve. And this doesn't happen very often with me, but here indeed I have folded the whole fabric into the half and have a fold at one side and open edges at the other side, and I'm cutting all pattern pieces at once. I wanted to have folded up cuffs here, so I'm cutting the sleeves 3 cm longer than the pattern. 3 cm in this case is enough, because this jacket here will be used indoors, while the original Rebecca is an outdoor pattern. In the end, the folded up area of the cuff will be around 5 cm. The second material we need for this knit version is a bias tape. Either you buy one or you make your own like I did it. If you want to see this in detail, how I made my bias tape, please follow the link here to the detailed video instruction. The width is 4 cm, here too, and the length you can look up in the sewing instruction. Then I'm sewing the pattern pieces together and I'm following the regular sewing instruction of the Rebecca jacket. That means the shoulder seams are first. Here too, please take care that we are making outside seams, so that means we are putting the pattern pieces with their wrong fabric sides together. Here I'm closing the first shoulder seam and in one step I'm also attaching the bias tape. I'm using really always the same technique as for the regular Rebecca jacket. You can see here the different seam allowances on the materials, and I'm sewing with the back layer on top here too. Because of this woven fabric layer, which is now in between the knit layer and the sewing foot, we have now a very good transport of the knit fabric with a regular household sewing machine. Then I'm folding the bias tape around the seam allowance and I'm stitching it on. Next comes, as for the regular Rebecca, the armhole seam.
Afterwards, I'm doing the sleeve seam and the side seam in one step. The following step is now the hem, the front edge and the neckline, which I will also do in one step. But before sewing this, I decided to make a rounded corner here between the front edge and the hem. So like this, it would match the corner at the top at the neckline. Okay, so now I can add the bias tape here. Afterwards, only the cuffs are missing. But this is already our last step. If you want to go through the sewing steps a little bit more slowly, please watch the original Rebecca video, which I've linked for you here.
Ready! I hope you've enjoyed the sewing project and that everything went well, of course. If you have any questions, as always, write me to info@koba-jani.com or contact me on social media. I'm mainly on Instagram and Facebook. You can also write your questions here down below in the comments on YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you very soon again to my next video. Take care until then. Bye!